Imagine walking into a room full of strangers and knowing with absolute certainty that you could start a conversation with anyone and have them instantly like you. No awkward pauses, no second guessing yourself, just effortless connection. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, some people do this naturally while others struggle for years, trapped by social anxiety, self-doubt, and the fear of rejection. But here's the truth. Winning people over has nothing to do with luck, and everything to do with understanding a few powerful psychological triggers. And if you skip this video, you'll miss out on the exact techniques that can make you instantly magnetic. Most people think social skills are something you're either born with or not. They assume that confidence, charisma, and likability are traits reserved for the outgoing, the extroverted, the naturally charming. But that's a lie. Being able to talk to anyone and make them like you is a skill, one that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. But first, you need to understand why so many people struggle. The biggest mistake people make in conversations is thinking that it's about what they say. They obsess over saying the right words, telling the perfect joke, or impressing others with their stories. But likability isn't about talking. It's about making the other person feel something. If you can make someone feel comfortable, valued, and understood, they will be drawn to you like a magnet. And the secret? It's not about being the most interesting person in the room. It's about making them feel like they are. People love talking about themselves. It's not selfish, it's human nature. Studies show that when people talk about themselves, the brain releases dopamine, the same chemical associated with pleasure and reward. This means that if you want someone to like you, you don't have to impress them, you just have to get them talking. But not just any talking. Talking about things that light them up, that make them feel important, that make them feel seen. And yet, most people do the opposite. They talk too much, they interrupt, they turn the conversation back to themselves. And then they wonder why they don't connect with others. But what if you could flip the script? What if instead of trying to be liked, you made people feel like they matter? The fastest way to do this is through deep, genuine curiosity. Ask better questions. Instead of, what do you do? Try, what made you choose that career? Instead of, where are you from? Ask, what's the best thing about your hometown? These questions spark emotion. They open the door for real connection. And most importantly, they make the other person feel good in your presence. And when people feel good around you, they remember you. But there's one more piece to the puzzle, something even more powerful than words. Your energy. People don't just respond to what you say, they respond to how you make them feel. Your tone, your eye contact, your body language. It all sends a message. If you're nervous, closed off, or distracted, people will pick up on it instantly. But if you bring warmth, presence, and confidence, people will naturally gravitate toward you. And here's the best part. You don't have to fake it. Confidence isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being fully present, fully engaged, and fully yourself. So the next time you walk into a room, remember this. People don't remember what you said, but they will always remember how you made them feel. Make them feel important. Make them feel understood. Make them feel good. And suddenly, you won't have to chase connections. People will come to you.